Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Yale Smart Lock onto your front door. This is also a great way to add extra layer of security to your front door. And in terms of locking and unlocking your front door, it makes it very convenient for you to open it remotely or even lock it remotely using your phone or using the keypad. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll show you the step-by-step process. Let's get into it. The first step is to open your Yale box and familiarize yourself with the product. As you can see, there is a smart lock itself here, and there is batteries, there are the screws and the hardwares, and there is this little Wi-Fi access point or Yale access app point. And there is this little white box. Step by step, I'm going to show you how all these are going to get together. So after done unboxing it, we're going to open up the screws on the door. I'll show you all the process. This is the back side of the Yale, where it comes inside of the home, and this stays outside of the door. So I'll show you all this steps. At your front door, you want to make sure this is the one that we are replacing and not this one here. So this is the one that we're replacing. We're going to open up these screws. You will see what I'm going to do, and then we remove this bolt, we remove this knob, and then we change the entire parts of this with your Yale Smart Lock. Once you're done opening this one, you're on to the next step. So the first thing you wanted to do is to open up this box, where I already did, and you want to keep the keys because this lock also takes keys, so you want to keep them in a safe place. You're going to need to place the knob in. Make sure there is an arrow here. It says up, so that means it has to go this way. It has to be facing up. I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna screw it in. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna speed up the process. So once you did that, it's time to install the Yale Smart Lock and the little plate behind the door, and I'm gonna show you how to put this on using these tall screws, and you can watch the process step by step again. It's now time to install this part. There is this here where you're gonna have to connect this white wire into it. Make sure it's gonna have to be face up so it gets the right connection, and make sure everything is gonna be aligned. Now you're gonna need this box. You have to open it, and there is a Yale module that it's called, and it has this QR code where you have to use it in order to install your lock to your phone and get the remote access on your phone. I'm going to show you all these steps on my phone, and I'll show you how I'm going to get all this done. So you want to install your module, and the module gets in. It just kind of sits on it, and you have to install your batteries. Start lighting up in a few seconds, just like that. And it walks you through it.
Register master code. Press the gear key to continue.
You have to register your master code. We're going to register one.
Register. Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Press the gear key to continue.
I'm going to put my master code in. Once I enter that in,
Registered. Factory reset completed. Touch the keypad for handing lock.
So we hit the Yale. Opens up the knob.
Lock
That means
handing
it's locked.
completed.
And if I enter my code in and then check, it should open it for me. Also want to install this little module to the closest outlet you can find in the home, and in order to get Wi-Fi access, this needs to talk to your Wi-Fi access point, and you do the rest on the application. So that's it with today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you've learned something, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and comment me what should I do next, and if you had any trouble connecting your Yale, or if you had trouble anything else, comment me below so we can get into it. Thank you very much for watching.